guys, welcome back to Jendely.lane. Subscribe button, go ahead and hit it. And today we're gonna start with a hair review. And no, this makeup look isn't, or this video isn't about this makeup look. I already made a video on this look on my channel, and there's more going on. So if you want to see that, you can check on my channel and you're gonna find that. So let's talk about this hair. This hair comes with 3 combs, one here, and one in the back. Adjustable straps as well. I love the volume of this hair. It's just perfect for me, perfect for my facial structure. It's like a bob. Okay, it's like really short. I don't have a neck, so obviously you can tell, so you're not gonna really see much of a space from my neck to my back or whatever. So if you're looking for something easy and cheap, this will do it for you. I have had this hair for months now, going on about probably 3 to 4 months, I would say, and it's still holding up really well, really well. I got this hair from D Hair Chic, okay, and I'm gonna put more information about that in the description box and a Facebook link to where you can get this hair. It doesn't come like this, it comes like so it comes like this in a ponytail, okay? Let me comb this crazy side out. It comes like this in a ponytail in the middle, and right now it's not in the middle of my hair because I like it on the side, but it comes like this and it falls like this. And you have a part right here and it goes into a circle, and then there's another part right here. These parts are pretty defined. You don't have to do any plugging or anything with it. There is no lace that comes with this hair. It's just naturally like this. I've worn it for a while, so it comes like this, and it comes in the ponytail like this. Like I said, I will put the info for this hair in the description box below, but it is a really, really nice wig. For the price, it's really cheap. I think, I don't remember how much it was, but it was definitely under like $80 or $50, $60 or $70. I'm not sure on the price, but it is really affordable, and it's just easy to take care of, easy to manage, easy to wear. As long as you're not throwing it on the floor, it's gonna keep a shape and form. I just sprayed some spray on there to comb it out, you know, and it's just, I love this hair. It's just easy to take care of. I love it. I love it. Would I buy again? Absolutely, yes. I will buy this hair again. And yes, I don't know what's going on with my voice. You could make the parting. I just didn't want to do much with it for you guys to see what it looks like. Put concealer on the parts and stuff like that. In person, you don't really need concealer. I don't need concealer in person, so I don't put concealer on it. So I'm just gonna put it back how I was wearing it.